Most contractors comparing estimating software focus on one thing first: features. But here's the truth no one tells you. Speed matters more than almost everything else when estimating jobs consistently. Because the faster you can create reliable estimates, the faster you can respond to leads, win projects, and keep revenue moving. That's exactly why contractors are comparing Handoff AI and BuildZact so heavily in 2026. In this video, I'll break down which platform estimates faster, where each system performs best, the hidden trade-offs most contractors ignore, and which type of builder should choose each platform. And later, I'll show you the biggest mistake contractors make when trying to speed up estimating workflows. So let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the main question. Which estimates faster, Handoff AI or BuildZact? Purely from a raw speed perspective, Handoff AI is designed heavily around fast AI-assisted estimate generation. That's the core idea behind the platform. The goal is reducing manual estimating work dramatically. BuildZact, on the other hand, focuses more broadly on estimating plus project management workflows for residential builders and remodelers. That difference matters immediately. Now here's where things get interesting. Fast estimates and accurate estimates are not always the same thing. This is where most people fail. They chase speed without building quality control into the process. That creates expensive mistakes fast. Now imagine Jake runs a remodeling company receiving multiple lead requests weekly. He needs estimates quickly because homeowners often contact several contractors at once. A faster estimating workflow gives him a major competitive advantage. That's where AI-assisted systems become attractive. Now in a minute, I'll show you which contractors benefit most from ultra-fast AI estimating and which should prioritize workflow structure instead. But first, let's continue. Handoff AI focuses heavily on automation and estimate acceleration. The platform attempts to reduce repetitive estimating tasks through AI-assisted workflows that can significantly speed up takeoffs, scope generation, and initial estimate preparation. For contractors overwhelmed with bid volume, that operational speed matters enormously. Now let's compare BuildZact. BuildZact is more of an all-in-one residential construction management platform. Estimating is a major part of the software, but the platform also emphasizes project workflows, client communication, scheduling, and budgeting. That creates a different experience. Now here's the problem. Some contractors compare these platforms as if they solve identical business problems. They don't. That's the key insight. Handoff AI leans heavily toward estimating acceleration. BuildZact focuses more on broader residential construction operations. Now imagine Alex runs a custom home building company. He needs estimating, supplier coordination, project tracking, and client communication in one workflow. BuildZact may feel more operationally complete there. But if the primary pain point is estimate speed alone, Handoff AI may feel much faster initially. That's the trade-off. Now here's where things get interesting again. The fastest estimating system is not always the most profitable one. Because bad estimates create operational disasters later. That's why experienced contractors still review every estimate carefully. AI acceleration does not eliminate the need for judgment. Now let's discuss workflow learning curves. Handoff AI may feel faster immediately because automation reduces manual setup work. But contractors still need quality control systems. BuildZact may require slightly more setup and workflow structure, but some builders prefer that operational organization long-term. This comes down to business style. Now in a minute, I'll show you the hidden factor that matters more than estimate speed itself. But first, let's continue. Another major factor is estimate consistency. Manual estimating creates variability. Different employees estimate differently. Items get missed. Pricing becomes inconsistent. AI-assisted workflows can help standardize repetitive estimating processes. That consistency becomes valuable over time. But here's the hidden issue. Construction projects are rarely perfectly standardized. Custom conditions always appear. That's why human oversight still matters massively. Now imagine John relies completely on AI-generated estimates without detailed review. One missed scope item could destroy profitability on an entire project. That operational risk is very real. Now here's the hidden factor I mentioned earlier. Workflow integration. This matters more than raw estimate speed. Because estimating is only one part of running a construction business. The estimate eventually connects to budgets, schedules, purchase orders, change orders, and project management workflows. That's where broader systems like BuildXact can become attractive. Now here's where things get interesting. Some contractors only need estimating acceleration. Others need operational structure across the entire company. Those are completely different business priorities. That's why there is no universal winner. Now let's answer another important question. Which platform is easier for beginners? For many contractors, BuildXact may feel more familiar operationally because it combines estimating with broader construction management workflows. Handoff AI may appeal more to contractors, specifically prioritizing rapid estimate generation and automation. Again, workflow fit matters most. Now here's the problem. Many contractors buy software based on demos instead of testing actual workflows. That's risky. Because real-world usage feels very different from sales presentations. Smart contractors test estimate speed, accuracy, revision workflows, and usability before committing long-term. Now let's summarize clearly. Handoff AI generally focuses more aggressively on fast AI-assisted estimate generation, while BuildXact combines estimating with broader residential construction management tools. Contractors prioritizing speed alone may prefer Handoff AI, while builders wanting integrated operational workflows may lean toward BuildXact. Now here's the biggest takeaway. The best estimating software is not the one creating the fastest estimate. It's the one helping your business create accurate, profitable workflows consistently. That's the real goal. So here's the bottom line. If estimating speed is your biggest operational bottleneck, Handoff AI may absolutely deserve attention. But if you need broader residential project management structure alongside estimating, BuildXact may provide stronger long-term operational value. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which estimating software you're currently considering. And if you want, I can also compare the easiest AI estimating tools for small contractors next.